Hello and welcome everyone to yet another video from iGotTechHD. So today is a tutorial video. So basically today's video would cover up screencasting, that is recording your screen, like recording what you're doing on the screen. So basically we will not be covering up how to record your things like what you're doing on the screen, but we'll cover up how to record your gameplay. So this will cover up like recording your gameplay without a game capture card. This is possible for most of the games but not all of the games, so take care for that. And basically there are many softwares available, screencasting softwares available, but most of them do not record gameplay. Many of them are like Camtasia, which I am using right now, Cam Studio, and there is also a software called Fraps. So Fraps is the only one which records gameplay. So you can buy Fraps, it's a paid product, and if you don't want to do that, torrent it or pirate it. So let's open up Fraps. First you'll get this user account control warning, UAC, that do you want to allow the following program from an unknown publisher to make changes to this computer. Click yes. You can see the details, it's like program location. Click yes and you'll get this screen. So you'll see that there are 4 tabs and 1 help box, and registration details you'll get, and version and the build number. So there are 4 tabs: general, FPS, movies, and you also have the screenshots tab. So there are 4 tabs as general, FPS, movies and screenshots. In the general tab you'll see the information and also some basic controls, that is start Fraps minimized, Fraps windows always on top, run Fraps when Windows starts, monitor arrow, desktop, minimize the system tray only. So like these are basic things which everyone can understand, like start Fraps minimized, which means that when you start recording video, the Fraps become minimized. Fraps window always on top, you can see like this Fraps is always on the top, and run Fraps when Windows starts, like it makes an auto start when the Windows boots up. Monitor arrow desktop means this thing. I don't think that you'll be able to see or not, but this is what monitor arrow desktop means. Minimize to system tray only means this, it goes down, minimize to here. So FPS is where we save our benchmarks. So you'll see that there's no need of using this for like making videos, but there is one thing that you need to learn in this tab, that is the overlay. Overlay means you'll get numbers. I have disabled it, that's why like you're not seeing that, you're not seeing what is coming over here. But if you're starting it for the first time, you'll see that numbers come here, which are like frame keys, like frames per second, which come here, but we don't need that a lot, so always I do hide overlay. There are movies, which is the main part which you want, like you can save the movies by clicking on change. You can select, like I've set it to video production, and you can also view the folder. So here comes, this is the video capture key, so let's set it to spacebar. So you see now it's set to spacebar. Video capture settings, so you have to see that what video settings you have to keep. Like I almost on nearly all the times I keep it 29.97 frames per second, cause that is the composition settings which I choose in After Effects. Like 1080p, it sets automatically to 29.97. so to match my frame rate in After Effects, I use this. You can set it to 60 frames if you want crystal clear, or like uh, 60 frames per second would be the most heavy video, like in 29.97 it makes like 3 minutes video, 3.04 gigs, but in 60 fps or frame per second it will make like 6 to 7 gigs. And also you have the full size and the half size, which you don't need to worry about. You have sound capture, like you can record external input, which I'm using right now for recording in Camtasia, so I'm not gonna use this. You can also set your multi-channel or stereo voice for Windows 7 sound. Hide cursor in video, yeah, that's nice thing, because you don't want people to see your cursor, like in small full screen games like Angry Birds or Bad Piggies. The cursor comes on and which doesn't look nice. I guess in my last video I forgot to do this because I was in a hurry and left that. Force lossless and lock frame rate while recording. Lock frame rate would lock these. It would not allow to change in middle. Force lossless RGB capture. This is not like this is not concerned in regarding this. Screenshot, you can like capture screenshots, which is also the print screen button on your keyboard, but you can also use this Fraps to record to capture your games. So in games that print screen does not work, so you can use the F10 key, which I'm not gonna press because that is the stop button for Camtasia, which will stop this recording. You can use any other, like enter. You'll see that when you press enter, screenshot would be saved into C Fraps screenshots. So I'm not playing a game now, so it would not be saved, but when you play a game it would be saved. So what you have to do is now go to a game like Angry Birds Star Wars, press F9 and it will start recording, and when you finish it up, press F9 again, it will stop recording, and you'll get your video completely in the folder you selected. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned on youtube.com/iGotTechHD for more videos, tutorials, reviews and unboxings. Thanks for watching and subscribe.